Could you please give me a brief introduction about yourself, who you are, and how long have you been using Tekla software, and what kind of services that your company provides to the clients?
So my name is Claude Porumb. Been a draftsman for the last sort of 14, 15 years, and I've been using Tekla maybe the last sort of 4 or 5 years now. But only the last couple of years I've been really more in depth in training with Tekla, because I've used various software packages before, so I've had to adapt. And what we do here at APS, we specialize in engineering, manufacturing, fabrication, and temporary works, rigging and cranes. So a vast array of different types of engineering applications that we do here.
I understand you have been using the Tekla software for the last 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
And, you're also going through my online training session for Tekla Advanced and drawing courses and seamless connections. How do you see this online training sessions actually helping you in your day-to-day work?
I really like your short courses because you sort of break it down to specific topics. So if I need something, then I'll specifically go to that, like your seamless connections, for example. I've been doing a lot of more steel detailing connections, so I'll always refer to your course and then try to just get some hands-on knowledge and see how you go about it. So it's good because you kind of break it down systematically, and then just go from there, and then go really in depth into your understanding and knowledge.
How do you see my response to your queries and my solutions to your problems?
Yeah, you've been great. Very quick to respond. Pretty much on the day or in next hour. You've been really helpful, so it's been great.
You're already using the I-beam automation tools for steel detailing. How does it have positive impact on your daily work?
Just being able to refer to your macros that you've built specifically for those types of connections been really easy, and just really easily to set up and just work with the tools, I guess. So they've been really helpful since I've started doing more steel detailing.
Okay, do you see that help files both in video format as well as the PDF format?
Yeah, I prefer the video formats, to be honest. It's easier to follow.
I did complete customization for your steel project as well as for the scaffolding, because it's two different versions of what you're currently working on.
Mm-hmm.
And, how did you see my customization effective and productive in your day-to-day work?
Yeah, so with the scaffolding templates that you set up for us, that's been really helpful. Like, just really easy to navigate now for all the different clients that we use.
Yeah.
So I think that was a bit of a process, I think, back and forth between yourself and us here to try and really streamline those templates for us. So that's been great. And then with the steel detailing, I think that's been great. I mean, once you set it all up, and it's just been working great, so I can't complain there. So yeah.
Do you want to say anything to those who are thinking about taking my service?
Oh yeah, if you're definitely in need of customization or setting up Tekla as well, because that also takes a bit of time. Definitely recommend Shiram. He's very knowledgeable, and he's been great to set up Tekla, and just to pick his brains on his knowledge and wisdom, I guess. So yeah, it's been great. Thanks.